If you want to link your domain to your GoDaddy hosting, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process in a simple and beginner-friendly way. By the end of this video, your domain will be pointed to your hosting account and your website should start loading from the correct server. This is a very common setup for anyone launching a new website, moving a site to GoDaddy, or connecting a domain they already own to their hosting plan. If this video helps you out, please take a second to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. All right, let's get into it. First, go to GoDaddy and sign into your account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the My Products section. This is where GoDaddy keeps all of your domains, hosting plans, and other services in one place. Under the Domains section, find the domain you want to connect and select it. Make sure you choose the correct domain if you have more than one, because the DNS settings you change will apply to that specific website address. After selecting the domain, click DNS or Manage DNS. This opens the settings area where you can control where your domain points. Now you need to edit the A record. The A record is one of the most important DNS records because it tells the internet which server your domain should point to. When you see the A record, click the Edit icon and change the host field to the @ symbol. This means you're pointing the root domain, like yourdomain.com, instead of a subdomain. Then in the Points to field, enter your hosting IP address. Your hosting provider or cPanel account should give you this IP address, so make sure you copy it exactly. Even one wrong number can stop the domain from working properly. Once that is entered, save the changes. At this point, your domain is telling traffic where to go, but the hosting side also needs to recognize the domain. So next, go back to your GoDaddy account and open your web hosting section. Click Manage on the hosting plan you want to use, and then choose cPanel Admin. Inside cPanel, look for the Domains area. If your domain is not already added there, add it now so your hosting account knows to serve that domain. Depending on your hosting setup, it may appear as an add-on domain, primary domain, or another domain entry inside cPanel. Just make sure the domain is listed correctly and connect it to the right document root if needed. After everything is saved, the final step is to wait. DNS changes do not always happen instantly, so give it about 5 to 30 minutes, and sometimes a little longer, depending on your registrar and hosting provider. During that time, you can refresh your site and check whether it starts loading from your hosting account. If it does not work right away, don't panic, because DNS propagation can take a bit of time. You can also double-check that the A record is correct, the hosting IP is accurate, and the domain is added inside cPanel. And that's it. You've successfully linked your domain to your GoDaddy hosting. If this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next simple website tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.